Today we'll talk about how can you enable a play image theme on your MyJury app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. You just click on it here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. You come here to apply image time. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us here. That's mean apply image time enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.